sa buhay ko at sa career ko. Doon talaga ako nag-start before ako mag-enter sa showbiz.
Ina-announce ko pa siya doon. Ngayon, pinapanood ko na siya.
So, ayun, very happy. And syempre, gusto ko natin mo sa lahat ng mga tao nandito ngayon.
I love you! I
Love you!
And first, let's also give thanks to City of Dreams Manila, who is celebrating their 10th year anniversary.
Happy 10th anniversary sa City of Dreams. And thank you for having me again. Kasi last year, nandito rin ako ulit. Nandito ako ulit. So, thank you so much po.
And lastly, please invite them to your upcoming shows or where can they see you recently so they can be up to date.
Ayun, syempre,